there's definitely a gobbler over there. He sounds like he's like 300 yards, but he answered me and he was eating it up pretty good. So I got the truck parked. We've got about 30 minutes to hunt here. I'm gonna go see what I can do. What happened with that turkey? He was gobbling really good. And I crested that ridge and struck him before I started walking down to make sure he wasn't too close. And it sounded like he was kind of still far away. So I eased down this ridge and got set up. And after I did that, I called him. He has not gobbled since I came down this ridge. So I'm thinking he might have somehow saw me. I don't know, maybe that, or maybe he flew up in the tree. Because it is kind of getting late, but at least I know there's turkeys here. There's probably more than one, too. And it sounded like Merriam's, not Rio's. I love me some Merriam's. But I don't know what happened. But I'm glad we heard a gobble. It's good. It's good news. There's turkeys around here. I'm probably going to sit for a second and then make my way back and find a good spot to camp before it gets dark. Oh. Top of the morning to you. Let's go kill a turkey. It's good coffee. It's nice and crisp this morning. Feels good though. I've got about, let's say 200-300 yards to walk. I've got a pretty good idea of where he's roosted at. We got close yesterday afternoon, but just didn't have enough time. I don't know if he saw me. I hope he didn't, but just kind of ran out of daylight there. But found a really pretty camp spot on this lake. It's beautiful. It's about 5:07. So I would think here in a little bit we're gonna hear a gobble. hopefully soon. But yeah, it's an update this morning. All right, I kind of know where he is. He's straight on the other side of this ridge somewhere. Let's see if we can get closer to him. All right, well, there's a saying that goes, if you can't call him, crawl him. Well, I tried to crawl him, and he saw me, evidently. God, I was so close. I mean, just the way I was set up, he was right behind that little hill, and that hill was like 30 yards. I was just waiting for him to pop up over it. But he was just holding ground right there. He didn't want to move. He got about as close as he wanted to, and he stayed there for probably close to half an hour. And I just said, why not try and crawl up there and get a shot? But there's several turkeys out here gobbling, so just gonna keep moving along and hopefully strike another one. All right, I struck another one. Straight that way. He's not really hammering. He gobbled once. But I'm gonna set up. He might be walking this way. Just sit for a little bit and see what happens. All right, I just got back to camp. There's a few people out there fishing. I don't know if you can see them. But I feel a little weak and tired, so I'm gonna get some food and fluids in my system, take a little break, and get back after them. Got some egg burritos here and a little bit of cheese. Nothing crazy, just a simple meal. Got a nice Celsius apple. It's gonna be good. I'm starving. All right, well, it's getting into the afternoon here. It's 4 o'clock. I just made one more last good push through there. Unfortunately, I did not hear a turkey, but on the bright side, there's a lot of land to turkey hunt on in this country. So I'm gonna go find something else. We're gonna head north. The drive is going pretty good so far. I've got about an hour and 25 minutes until I get to Planet Fitness. And for those of you that don't know, if you want to travel and have a place to go shower and use like a bathroom or any of that stuff, get a Planet Fitness membership. It's like 20 bucks for the black card, and you can use any Planet Fitness in the whole country. So it's perfect for something like this. Traveling, turkey hunting, truck camping, I can just pop in, get a shower, and that's it, just like that. So yeah, on the way to Planet Fitness to get a shower, because I did sweat a pretty good bit today. So I'm gonna get cleaned up, get a little something to eat, and we'll hit the hay. We have made it to Planet Fitness. About to go in here and get a much needed shower. Man. All right. Ooh, I feel like a new man, buddy. Shout out to Planet Fitness for the shower. I am not gonna cook tonight because I'm tired. I'm about to go get some Panda Express. Welcome to Washington. All right, guys. I got up here late last night, and I really didn't film too much yesterday because I was just driving, and it was spitting snow and raining, so I really didn't get to hunt any. But we're in Washington, long story short, and I'm about to be into some public land that I can hunt. So I'm gonna get around here and hit a few spots, and hopefully we can strike something up here in Washington. I'm pumped. Let's get it done. All right, I just got in here. Had to get some stuff straight with the cameras. I just crowed and a turkey gobbled over there. Not too far. I'm about to call to him and see what he'll do. They just answered me. It sounds like they're down low though, real low. Moving away from me. I gotta cover some ground and catch up to them. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, he's got spurs too. Oh, nice beard. Yes! It was one of the best hunts I've been on this whole year. First season. Guy did it right. And he is absolutely gorgeous. So I get him spread open. Wind's kind of bad. Get some better video of him. A little bit. Go ahead and put a tag on him.